Hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we're gonna move forward in our to-do list clone app. Not to-do list clone, it is a to-do list app. So in our previous video we have seen that how we can create a item, how we can delete that item, and how we can fetch that item from our Node.js application. And today basically it is the last thing that we are gonna do, that is to update our what you can say element. Okay, so let me just add stuff. So I will add a title. So let it open. Okay, so I will give hi, or let it be not hi, let me give something reasonable, title 1, and description will be description 1. Okay, add. Okay, so you can see that the element is now present here. So what I have done in my last video, that if someone clicks on this element, this list style, it should be opened on a new page. Okay, you will be able to see a new page. Okay, you can see that here, you can see stuffs. Okay, so what I have done, I have just given a on tab, and we have passed the element to a new page, edit page, and this is the edit page. Okay, now what we have to do, basically what I want to do, I want to pass that data on which this is clicked. Okay, let's imagine that we have 2 to 3 titles, 2 to 3 descriptions, and I want that title 1 should change. So how we can do that? So for that there is a concept of sending data from one page to another page. This is the link. Okay, the Flutter documentation, send data from one new page to a new screen. Okay, so you have to create a to-do list thing. It means that you have to create a model class, then you have to use that model class to transfer your data using the material page route. Okay, using material page route you can do all those stuffs. Like if I click on this, you can see that we are on to-do list 2. So you can see that we have a material page route. Okay, and in it, it is taking something like this stuff. Okay, so we also have to do that same thing. So what we will do in this edit page, basically it will not be a stateful widget. Now it will change. So firstly what we will do, we will just go with the push. Okay, and inside this what we will do, we'll call the material page route. Yeah, and in this builder you have to pass that page, edit page. Yeah, okay, one sec. Yeah, it should be with a context, sorry. Okay, so material page route, now the error is resolved. And in this edit page what I will do, I will give the details. Okay, and details will be the details of this link that I have, sorry, detail of this list style that I have clicked on. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will just, in similar to this, I will just do this stuff. Okay, to do list. So I will just go here, and this is snapshot at data this. So I will just give snapshot dot data dot at id. Okay, not id, it's I think. Yeah, it's I. Okay, and now in our this edit page we have to do some changes. Firstly, our whole stuff is a stateful widget, but if you go to this what you can say, the details screen, you can find that this is, where is that, this, yeah, you can see that firstly it is a stateless widget. Okay, so for this thing what we will do, uh, what I will do now, for the time being I am just commenting each and everything that we have. Okay, one second. Yeah, and now what I will do, I will create a stateless widget with the name of edit page. Edit page, yeah. And inside this edit page, what I will do, I will basically with this stateless widget, yeah. What I will go for, I will go for a material app, and then I will go for that. Uh, what you can say, check home, and in this home basically I will go for edit page home. Okay, and this whole of this thing will be now uncommented. Okay, and this will be home, this will again be home. Yeah, so you can see that we don't have a error now. And now what we want to do, we want to pass our details. Okay, so where we can pass this thing, so firstly we have to come here and we have to pass a required. And now in this similar way we can see that this here we have this dot to do. So similarly we have to pass a this dot details. Okay, and here what we can do, why it's showing is error. Yeah, okay, so we have to do similar thing like this. We have to create a model, so I'm just giving it a model. I'm giving it a name as model, or firstly I should create it. So a new class model dot, and inside this material. Okay, and here will be a class with the name of model. It will contain, you can just go over here and see their model class. Yeah, we have to give something like this title description, so I will just copy this whole stuff. Okay, taking it as a model. Okay, and I will just give one more thing, final string completed. Okay, similarly here this dot completed. Yeah, so we have saved it, and now we will just come over here, model, and details. Yeah, I cannot define a const constructor. Okay, so we can just take a help from this thing. Do we have a error? 1 second. Okay, so we have our issue resolved, and we have a error here. No, we don't have error. So firstly we have error here. Okay, so we have to remove this whole stuff because we don't need it now. Okay, so we don't have a error, and if we click on this, okay, we got a error like is not a subtype of this. So what the error is not a subtype. One second, so let us just see. We have a edit page, we got this details. Okay. One second, let us just remove this whole stuff and let us just see. Okay, we have a scaffold. Let's do this something like this. Okay, so it means that we are having some issue right here. Okay, 1 minute. We have a error at material app, so we should not use this. It means that. One second, do we need to go back to our original stuff that we had? Okay, and can I directly use this dot details and are required. Let's just go at this back stuff and restart our everything. Okay, so let's click on the stuff. Again we got that error. Why? But I don't think that we are having. One second. Okay, so let's just see this stuff. Once I do we I think the issue is with this thing. The point we click on that stuff, so we are setting that. No, we are sending the item here details to edit page, and we are at edit page. Let's just print and see what's the stuff. Okay, we got a error, and okay, so we are not able to pass that data from there to there. Okay, we have a model. Okay, I think the issue is this. I think this is the issue. No. So what's the issue? Let's just debug it, then only we can move forward. Okay, so without this, I think if I don't go with these stuffs, and if I come here and I just type title is equal to, just do this. Okay, and if I just come here, okay, so we got a edit page. Okay. So we got that. Now we want to pass this data from here to here. So can we go like this? String title, comma desk, comma completed, comma ID, and everything will be final. Okay. Okay, so can I now use that? Yeah. So now we can directly use this stuff. Okay, so we can directly come over here. Okay, and if I go back to this place, click on this, so we got a title 1. Okay, no issue. If I just come over here, title 2, description 2, add, so we got two stuff, and I click on this, we got title 2. Yeah, so everything is fine. Now what I want to do, I want that this thing should have some stuff. Okay, so it will be title. Okay, and we have a controller, so description, description. Okay, completed, and this also be controller completed. Okay, and if I just come over here at this point, text editing controller, I want a title, and here we can directly give that, not while. Okay, so we can directly copy that whole stuff, paste and paste. Okay, so we have our stuff ready right now. Okay, and we want that it should have a text, so it will be widget dot title. Why it's having some error? Cannot be accessed in a initializer. Try keeping the reference instance with a different. Okay, so leave it. We will just. Okay, so in this way we can directly go with that stuff. We can directly transfer our stuff. So in the next video, basically it's a very long video, 25 minutes, so I'm not gonna make it more longer. So in the next video we are gonna complete the whole stuff. We will just wind up this whole series. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day.